Yo, what's up guys? Good to see you and welcome to today's vlog. If you haven't subscribed already, please do join the fam. Also, I want to say something really quick to all of those who do not follow the ketogenic diet, but you still follow me. Thank you. I appreciate it. We are all still in this together. I realize and understand one thing, and I want you to know that I understand. Keto is not for everybody, okay? And there's more than one way to skin the cat. As they say, the secret to happiness is progress. So whatever you're doing, if you're getting progress, that's good. It doesn't have to be any specific diet at all. I respect anybody who wakes up every day, puts in 100% and really takes steps and the necessary actions to improve their life and their health. So thank you very much for following. Also guys, if you want to turn on post notifications, all you have to do is ring that bell next to the subscribe button. Did you guys hear this about YouTube? So I got an email. Anybody over 100,000 subscribers is now going to be able to charge $4.99 for premium content. What that basically means is I can start doing exclusive lives. I can start doing exclusive videos for people who pay $4.99 a month. My mind was kind of blown on that, to be honest with you. I can't really wrap my head around it. Yeah, sure, it sounds great from my perspective because it's another way for me to make money because Paxton's appetite is getting bigger and bigger and I need to be able to pay the bills. But I don't know how it is from like a consumer's perspective, from your perspective. So let me know what you guys think in the comments section below if I should do that or not. I'm also working on a bunch of other really cool things regarding Keto Quest that I'm gonna update you on. Gosh, so many different updates here. My mom is coming to visit in a week, so I'm excited to introduce you to her. And finally, guys, you may or may not have seen on the gram, I decided to start a podcast. I had no idea how popular podcasts were. I personally do not listen to them. The only one I even know of is Joe Rogan's, which I'd love to be on. So Joe, if you're watching, please, let's talk, bro. But I've got a big, awesome list of potential guests. I think I have somebody locked in the first position. If it happens, it will be totally epic. But if you guys have any suggestions for who you think should be the very first podcast guest, let me know in the comments section below. Actually, and I need your help on this. I don't know what to call it, right? Usually I'm good at coming up with names, but I'm having a hard time coming up with a name for this podcast. So if you guys know some good ideas on what to call my podcast, let me know. All right, so now it is like 11 o'clock in the morning. I've had nothing but my keto coffee. I've got some pre-workout here. Not gonna tell you which one. It's a huge secret, but we are gonna go to the gym. So here we go. Yo, it's Keto Chef Max.
What's up, guys?
In the house. So where we at, bro?
We're at Hyde Park Gym.
Hyde Park Gym. So Goody Beats brought me here a long time ago. I really like this place. It's like, it kind of is like Big Tech's gym.
Yeah.
Like super old school, hardcore type place. I know a lot of famous like power lifters and stuff work out here. So have you been before?
This is my first time.
Really? Yeah. All right, cool. So let's check out what Hyde Park Gym's all about.
Okay, so this is mostly...
All right, so first you gotta tell everybody your name.
Okay, I'm Izzy.
Izzy, this is Izzy, everybody. Since Keto Chef Max has never been here before, Izzy is gonna do the pleasure of giving us a little tour.
Okay, so this is the arm room. Most of our dumbbells are in this room. They go up by 2.5 pound increments.
All right.
We have 2 benches in this room, 2 benches in the back room there.
All right.
Both the benches can be converted into squat racks.
Look how old this bike is. What's this called, an Airdyne? If I did cardio, it'd be on this thing right there.
It's pretty great. You get the fan while you're biking.
Wow, this place is bigger than I thought.
This is the ab room.
The ab room.
Stuff for rolling out is right there. And our lighter kettlebells. So there's 2 mats on the wall.
All right.
So if you come in here, this is the leg room.
The leg room? So every body part's got its own room or what?
Pretty much all of our platforms are in this room.
I'll be in the ab room the whole time. It's all good.
The power bars are on this rack here. The ones with the red colors are deadlift only.
Cool.
And leg extensions.
How old are these machines? I love it. These are like vintage, man.
Yeah, and so a lot of our equipment has been here like since the gym opened.
How long has this gym been here?
Oh, that's Jen. Our Jen just left.
Like 60s?
Yeah, I think it's like 60s, 70s.
Damn.
And multi-purpose area in the back.
Right.
And you can also head out the back door to do like farmer's walks. There's an alley back there.
Okay, sweet.
And then back in here, another ab room over there.
Another ab room?
Yeah, you can
As if one ab room wasn't enough. So this is like floor routine stuff.
Yeah, and then you can also like attach resistance bands to the wall and stuff like that.
About to go from a 6-pack to an 8-pack working out here. All right.
This is where you.
You know, eight is really the minimum at this gym.
Yeah,
so.
that's true. I can tell. I feel intimidated already. All right, Izzy, thank you for the tour. Do you have any social media you want to plug?
Sure.
Where can they find you?
My Instagram is @QuadQueen with 2 underscores between
Quad Queen.
Yeah.
How'd you come up with that name?
I'm a power lifter, so.
Sweet. All right, everybody, go check Izzy out. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
Appreciate it. All right, guys, we just got done hitting some chest at this awesome gym. I love it here. I met a new friend. Tell everybody your name, bro.
Dave Gooden, also known as the Texas Shredder.
The Texas Shredder. So I recognize this guy right away, man. He was cool, came up and introduced himself. We have something in common.
What's that?
We both have been on the cover of Iron Man magazine.
Oh, give me a...
Yeah. So that's pretty cool. Tell me about your experience with Iron Man, shooting the cover and all that stuff.
Actually, I was on 4 covers of Iron Man.
4?
Yeah.
Okay. Dang. All right.
There's another one over there.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I didn't even see that one.
Yeah.
Have you been a bodybuilder your whole life or what?
Well, up until 4 years ago.
Okay.
I retired 4 years ago. I competed for 32 years.
32 years competing. He asked me if I competed, and I was like, no way, those days are over, man.
Yeah, last year I competed, I did men's physique because as a drug-free bodybuilder in the IFBB, I wasn't nearly big enough.
That's why I don't compete anymore.
So I decided, last year I competed, I decided to go with men's physique.
Yeah.
And they told me I was too big.
Yeah. It's always hard to fit in, man. They're looking for one thing one year, the next year it's another.
Mid-50s, you know, that I could even stand up there with those young guys.
So now you're a trainer? You've been a trainer in this gym for a long time?
August 1st will be 24 years.
Wow, that's amazing, bro. That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna pick this guy's brain. I'm gonna join this gym just so I can pick your brain.
Oh, okay, cool.
I saw, and I like this, you're old school. I caught you over there, you were training a client and you were writing down sets, reps, and weights in an actual book.
Yep.
That's
old school.
Old school, man.
Dinosaurish, in
Nah,
fact.
that's very cool, man. Where can they find you? Are you on social media?
Yes, I am. On Twitter at Dave Gooden.
All right. What about Facebook? You spell your name Goodin?
I-N, yeah.
Okay. And are you on the gram?
On Facebook, it's David Gooden.
David Gooden. Are you on Instagram?
At Dave Gooden. Yep.
All right. At Dave Gooden. All right. Cool. It was a pleasure meeting you, man.
Oh, pleasure to meet you.
All right. Paxton is asleep, so I have to whisper. If I wake Paxton up, Carly's gonna absolutely murder me. So luckily, I have some leftovers. Carly made the most amazing dinner the other night. It was baked salmon with some asparagus. She put this crazy topping on top of the salmon. I'll have to get her to give you guys the recipe in maybe an upcoming video, but it's sour cream. I think there's mustard in it as well, and Parmesan cheese. It's phenomenal. I'm also gonna have some pumpkin seeds. If you guys aren't eating pumpkin seeds, I highly suggest it. Make sure you get the salted variety. And then after this all goes down, I'm gonna have 2, maybe 3 tablespoons of the homemade almond butter that Keto Chef Max made. I'll have the recipe for that very, very soon. Bon appetit.
2 hours later.
All right, Paxman is awake and he's in a good mood. Say hi to everybody. Blow everybody a kiss, man. Can you blow everybody a kiss? Have you drinking a lot of water today? Staying hydrated? I got 2 things I want to say really quickly. Increase your water consumption, and I suggest you try lemon water. So I tried lemon water like a few weeks back. I didn't know if it was going to be like a little fad thing or if it'd be something I stuck to. It is definitely something that I've stuck to because it aids in digestion. It also, I get bored of drinking just straight water, and because I'm in Austin, I really drink a lot of water because of how hot it is. The lemon water kind of adds a good flavor to it. I also bought one of these little contraptions that like juices the lemons perfectly, so pick yourself up one of those. I just got mine at a local grocery store. Number 2, the best diet on earth, I believe, is the one you can stick to the longest, all right? I've been on so many little crash diets in my life, whether it was for wrestling, for competitions, for photo shoots, and none of them I stuck to for a long period of time, and none of them were healthy either. The reason I personally love the ketogenic diet is it has allowed me to turn a diet into a lifestyle, and I feel like that is very, very important. Like, I want to be healthy and happy and lean and mean when I'm like 60, 70 years old, so I'm trying to set myself up for something that I can do for the long haul without thinking obsessively about it, without waking up in the morning and being like, oh shit, I gotta be on my diet again. Look, like I've said many, many times, the goal should be to lay your head on a pillow one night and completely forget that you were on a diet that day. For me, that's what the ketogenic diet has done. It saved my career, it saved my relationships. That's why I preach it so enthusiastically. But I also realize that it's not for everybody and that you can still get results with other diets. And I just want to say to all of those who are listening that don't follow the ketogenic diet, I don't judge you because you don't follow the ketogenic diet. I am proud of you for making progress, and I want you to continue doing whatever diet works best for you and whatever makes you happy. And that's totally cool. Like I've said, there's more than one way to skin a cat. I didn't always do the ketogenic diet and I still got results. The problem for me was those results were not sustainable. The strategies I was using were only temporary. So just keep that in mind, guys. The best diet on earth is the one you can stick to the longest. Can you find the E? E, that's so good. That's right. Where's the O? Find the O, buddy. Show everybody how smart you are.
Oh!
Oh! Perfect! Yay!
Ooh!
Oh!
What? So much sunscreen.
Max just showed up. And of course, what do you got with you?
Oh, I got a fat bomb.
Fat bomb.
Yeah,
The king of fat bombs.
Right.
Tell us what you got.
It's a butter pecan fat bomb.
All right, we'll try it.
Okay, check it out.
All right, let Carly try first. Looks good, man. Be honest, taste test. Give it a taste test. 1 through 5.
That's really good.
1 through 5.
I'd say a 5.
A 5?
Oh, yeah.
What you got there? Say shout out to Andy. It's wing night at the Wit Rock. So this is my new favorite flavor of wings. It is garlic parmesan herb. And then Keto Chef Max and I are gonna split these. But then these are your regular, typical medium wings. Guys, you've heard me talk about chicken before. I'm usually not a fan. I don't eat chicken very often at all. That's because it's very high in protein, very low in fat, tends to spike blood sugar and insulin more than other proteins like eggs. But every once in a while, man, I'm gonna have chicken. I love hot wings. So me, Keto Chef Max, and Carly, and of course Paxton are gonna hang out, watch some TV, man, maybe pop in a movie, eat some wings. That's it for the vlog, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate the support. As always, keep up the good work and much love.